English listening test for kids. Starter level, test 10. 1.
What's that?
It's an alligator.
What's that?
It's an alligator. 2. Ski. I can ski. Ski. I can ski. 3.
What day is it today?
It is Sunday.
What day is it today?
It is Sunday. 4.
What's the weather like?
It is rainy.
What's the weather like?
It is rainy. 5. Do you like donuts?
Yes, I do.
Do you like donuts?
Yes, I do.
6.
What shape is it?
It is a rectangle.
What shape is it?
It is a rectangle. 7. How many bees are there?
6 bees.
How many bees are there?
6 bees.
8. Dance. We can dance. Dance. We can dance. 9.
Cold, she is cold. Cold, she is cold.
10. What do you like?
I like pizza.
What do you like?
I like pizza.